What's going on, guys? It's Ali Mavis, and I'm your host today. And today, guys, I have here Pocket Options, and I'm pulling up my demo account, guys. So let's just see. So you guys can see numbers, demo account. There you go. That's what's in my demo account right now, guys. And today, I just want to go over my strategy here in Pocket Options. The reason why I am in the demo today is because this setup that I'm looking at right now, it's not really paying out. But I wanted to explain it and actually show it to you guys. So why not test it on my demo account? Because if I am wrong, hey, I didn't lose money. But if I am right, at least I get to see, what setups, I am trained to look at. So right now, I want to take this. This is GJ. I want to take this on a sell. So I'm taking it on a 1 hour sell, guys. And let me actually close out of all these tabs. I have all these tabs open. Um, these are similar strategies that I use. Actually, okay, cool. All right, guys. So these are strategies that I use when trading binary. In my previous videos, guys, I always talk about trading and taking time when I trade. So a lot of trades that you guys will see me take are lengthy trades. Don't get me wrong. Here and there, you may see me take a 1 minute trade, a 3 minute trade, whatever the case may be. But more often than none, you will see me take a lengthier trade. Maybe on the 15 minute, 30 minute, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, possibly even the 4 hour, depending on what I am looking for and what are my trading goals. I think a lot of times when we are trading, we need to have checkbox. We have to have a checklist and a checkbox. Our checklist is our trading plan. Guys, what is your trading plan? Like, think about this. Hold on. Let me break it down to you guys. Let's think about it. Think about it. Look, before you go to work, right? Even though you may not draw out the plan in your head or on paper per se, but when you wake up and when you go to work, you have a plan. You have a plan. Your plan is you're going to, brush your teeth, hopefully, for some of you guys. There's going to be a few of you guys who are going already know which route you're going to take. There are a lot of you guys that already know what you're going to do once you get to the job. You already created a plan. And once you check the checklist, once you check off the checkbox of the checklist, you move on to the next thing. And that's how you have to treat trading. You have to treat binary. What are your goals? What are your checklist? You know what I'm saying? And what that looks like is it could be, hey, I'm going to set out only 2 hours for the day for trading. And, for me, when I say I'm going to put 2 hours in for trading, I also calculate the time that it takes me to chart up. So just because I chart up for 30 minutes and I haven't gotten to trade yet, that doesn't mean I am trading for 2.5 hours. No, my chart up is considered a part of my trading. Because you know why? Because I am taking lengthier trades. Meaning that if it took me 2 hours to finally look for a setup and I finally get it within the last 2 hours and I'm doing one in a 1 hour trade, best believe I am gone. I am not around this computer screen. I am doing my thing. I am not allowing the anxiety to control me. So again, these are my checklist. My checklist, I am looking, that's my trading time frame, 2 hours. Once I find what I'm looking for, I enter that position and I get off the computer. If I don't find what I'm looking for, I still get off the computer. I am doing my checklist, guys, and I'm checking off. That's a part of my strategy. Outside of indicators, outside of confirmation, outside of that, psychology plays a huge part into trading, guys. So, nonetheless, let's freaking go. I'm glad that you guys are just here. I'm glad that you guys are even taking the journey just to even trade. Trading just allows a lot of opportunity that, what else out there can give you the same opportunity that trading give. So the fact that you guys are here and watching this video, I just commend you guys. I appreciate you guys. So on that breath, here I got up TradingView. I use TradingView. I use resistance and supports to trade. Here I see a lot of price action at resistance. Price actions got rejected. Now we're down on a sell. The market is bearish. Here I seen that on my trade setup, and I say, you know what? I want to take this. I want to take this trade. But then I come here to pocket options, and they're only paying 50%. And again, let's go back to the checklist, guys. Let's clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. I'm glad that you guys made it here. I'm glad that you guys made it here. Yo, listen, this is a part of the checklist, guys. This is a part of the checklist. My checklist is I am not taking no trades, no less than 75% payout. I don't care how good it looks. I don't care how good it looks. I am not taking the trade if it's less than 75%. Why would I do the same exact work? Charting up is the exact same work. Why would I do the exact same work to get paid less? Why would I put up the same amount of money when anything could happen? I can lose the trade and I'm getting paid less. That does not make sense. So because this does not check off on my checklist, you know what? I decided to take it on a demo. That's called discipline, guys. So we're 6 minutes into the trade. I'm not going to sit here and talk throughout the whole entire trade. I'm actually going to let the trade actually go. I'm actually going to come back when there's about 2 minutes left on the trade and then see what the market gives us and then analyze the market from there. Talk to you guys soon. What's going on, guys? I'm Ali Mavis and I'm back. I'm back again, guys. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we got about a little under 3 minutes left in the trade. I know you guys are wondering what's going on. Your background looks a little different. I know I'm in the parking lot right now, but that goes to show the power of binary trading, guys. Look, I'm in a random parking garage. I'm about to actually leave my whereabouts, and I got a couple minutes left in this trade. I promise you guys I will do the ending of this trade. And I said, you know what? I have a laptop. I have hotspots. We still can get this work in, guys. So we're coming up to 2 minutes on this. 2 minutes on the trade. As you guys can see, what the market did here. The market bounced off levels. It created lower highs and lower lows every time it came up and every time it came down. Also, if I come here and I look at the currency strength meter, we still see the yen pair stronger than the G pair. So we're still selling, guys. So everything is aligning up as far as my confirmations to take this trade. So again, took it for the 1 hour. We're at the 1.5 minute mark. The reason why I like taking these longer trades is so I can catch all of this. Again, the name of the game is just for me to win by 1 point. Whether I win by 100, 3,000, it doesn't matter. All I got to do is win by 1 point. So I rather win by a landslide or barely win. You know what I'm saying? And again, there's nothing wrong with other traders who trade 3 minutes, 30 seconds. There's nothing wrong with that. But for those that want to know my strategy is the 1 hour. My strategy is the 2 hour, the 3 hour, the 4 hour. And I show you guys what I am looking for, guys. Here again. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at TradingView. How much time we got left? We got 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do this on pocket options. So here when I took the trade, let's look at 2 minutes. I took the trade around here. Before I took that trade, right here, there was previous price action at this support level, and then the market bounced back. The market was coming back down to these support levels, and I know that if the market were to retest these support levels, we're going to be on a sell. There is no bullish momentum. It's all bearish momentum. With everything else being factored in, it gave me the indicator to go ahead and sell. And guess what just happened, guys? I cleared the position. I won. So in 1 hour on a demo, I put up 10 bucks at 50% and made $5. And again, in the previous video, guys, or in what I said earlier in this video, I mentioned I personally want to take this trade on my live account because it's not the percentages that I'm looking for. But I took it on my demo account because it's the setup I'm looking for. It's something I want to train my eyes. I still take pride in the fact that I won this trade on my demo account. Even though I made no money, I take pride because I know what I'm looking at, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys got any questions, leave them down in the comment below. If you guys want me to do more 1 hour trades, 2 hour trades, 4 hour trades, let me know, guys. I'll definitely leave it in the, I'll definitely answer you guys' questions in another video. Also, with that being said, in the description below, I will also have the links for pocket options. I'll also have the links for TradingView. I'll also have the links for the currency strength meter. So you guys can actually have all these resources in your toolbox. So when you guys are ready to trade, you guys are making trades with confirmation, the right confirmation. Again, guys, my name is Ali. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll have another video coming soon.